Guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how we're going to create website custom audiences in our business manager account, and at the same time I'm going to show you how you can use rules to update those website custom audiences. It's going to be a pretty intense ride. It's going to be fun, so let's dive in. Just going to make myself gone there. And okay, so we're going to do this on a live client account, and what I want to do is I want to create website custom audiences of people who made a purchase, people who unsubscribed, and all that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the growth tools, we're going to go to ads, and we need to create a new ad. Then you're going to find your ad account right there. I'm going to create a new campaign. And you can ignore the naming conventions here. We're just going to use this as a vehicle to create these website custom audiences, create new ad set. And there are probably other ways to do this, but this is my preferred method. So what we need to do is we need to create a custom or lookalike audience. In this scenario, we're going to create a custom audience. I'm going to click here, and then we have this little link that pops up. Create a custom or lookalike audience. Awesome. Now create a custom audience. Get your naming conventions. I try to do it like this, bot, and for now we're going to do unsubscribed. Okay, continue. And the reason why we want to create website custom audiences of those who are unsubscribed, because we can use these unsubscribed audiences in as an exclusion when, for example, we're running sponsored messages. All right. Now, when you follow these steps, you are able to actually select people who you want to add to your website custom audiences. Now, there are scenarios where you might not have any people added to your scenarios. So you might not have people who have the tag unsubscribed or purchased or whatever. So what you need to do before, if you're in that scenario, you need to apply a tag to somebody first. So here's what I did. I applied a tag to myself, and that's the unsubscribed. Well, I guess that didn't work. I guess I forgot to apply that tag there. Let me go back. So we're going to discard this. We're going to go to audience. We're going to go find myself. Oh, I'm going to find myself. There we go. That's me. There we go. I'm going to apply a tag. I'm going to apply the tag unsubscribed. There we go. Now there it is. And this is going to apply another one because we're going to add another custom audience, and that's based on purchase. So we're going to apply tags based on actions that happened in the bot. So now we can use these tags to make a filter. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to my growth tools. I'm going to go to ads. Same thing. Ad account. Create new campaign, continue, create new ad set, custom audience, there we go, custom audience, and then we would do bot unsubscribed, continue, now we wait, there we go. I can make a filter now on everybody with the tag unsubscribed, and it doesn't matter if it's only one person. I call this let's say the base website custom audience, which we can keep updating based on rules, which are going to show in a little bit. But because we need just one person in there to actually have that base audience, which we can then start updating. So we got this little button here that says create audience, and now boom, your audience is ready. We're not able to use it. That's obvious because there's just one person in there, but that's not the point right now. The point is that we actually now have this audience that we can start populating. Now, I want to create another audience. We go back to ads. Let's abort this. Let's go there. Let's go back to the ad account, create new campaign. I could probably do it in the same campaign. That's it. There we go. So you can see this custom audience. I can select it now, and I can use it in my exclusions or inclusions when setting up the ads. I'm going to do bot, and let's say purchase. Purchase. And we wait again. And I'm going to go filter, based on this tag. And we can do the same with custom fields. I just do this with tags right now. But again, you can do it with custom fields, no problem. Audience is ready. Great. So now we have those two audiences in our business manager. Great. But now, how are we going to update these? So this is just the exercise on creating the base audiences. What we want to do, we want to go to automations, abort this, because we're not going to set up those ads. We're going to go to automation. We're going to go to rules. Now, this is where the magic happens. You create a custom rule. And I'm going to say, okay, every time when the tag unsubscribed is added, I want to update my Facebook custom audience with an inclusion added to custom audience. I'm going to select my ad account. I'm going to choose the custom audience, unsubscribed, save, activate. That's it. Just make sure we're going to create a name for this rule, and it's going to be website custom audience, unsubscribed. That's it. I'm going to do another one. Go to rules, website custom audience, unsubscribed. I'm going to create another rule. It's going to say website custom audience, purchased. I'm going to tag is applied, purchased, Facebook custom audience, ad account, purchase. That's it. I'm going to save it, activate it, and I want to show you quickly how this then would work. I'm going to go to my flows. I'm going to quickly search the unsubscribe flow here. There it is. So somebody unsubscribes. They hit the bot, they're immediately unsubscribed. We show them this message, and at the same time we show them this message, we add this tag unsubscribed. Now, if you remember what we just did before here, when the tag unsubscribed is applied, automation, rules, tag unsubscribed is applied, tag is applied, we add somebody to a website custom audience. This website custom audience is now updated automatically, and when you use this in your exclusions, when you're running your ads or sponsored messaging, you will by default exclude those that are unsubscribed, which is going to help you a lot with not reaching those people that are going to give you a lot of negative feedback and all that. So this is how you set up website custom audiences using Manychat and at the same time running rules. If you got any questions, guys, just drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them.